Alright guys, welcome back to MacCustoms. Just gonna show you a bike we've been working on here. Put some accessories on it the last couple times it's been here. We got a video already of doing the skid plates and the bumper. We just put this Boss stereo on there. Made up this bracket that also holds the light bar as well. Got it set up so that you can still open this little trunk. We also put a set of Kimpex heated grips. This is your switch for the grips here. We also installed this switch here for the Underglow lights. Installed them earlier as well. And we also installed this SUPERATV 2-inch lift kit and this 2-inch hitch receiver, release receiver. Pretty happy with the way this speaker worked out. Looks nice on the bracket there, and you can still use your bin and all that. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the things we did to this brute force, and we'll see you next time.